boring.
And it often propels the new Doctor into the future. It wasn't deliberate, but I think I always wanted something that's connected to the darker kind of tones of the earlier Doctors.
He's literally turned over and went to sleep.
The Doctor was like no other, requiring him to perform some heavy scenes.
I don't know, I was a bit
I'm videotaping the noise.
familiar